Welcome, and front of me is a LENOVO K6, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove screen locks that you have set, and as an example you might not know the combination too. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So let's start off by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time, and when you see the Lenovo logo, let go of only the power key but keep holding volume up. So let's do that right now. Power key, volume up. So you see the Lenovo logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. And this takes us to the boot mode, or something that resembles it. So from here you want to select recovery mode by simply tapping on it. Now I do understand that it might be a little bit hard to see the screen considering the color contrast right here, but recovery mode for me is right over here. You hopefully can see it. So simply click on it. And as you can see, we are now in the Lenovo recovery. So from here, select wipe user data by again clicking on it. And from here, I assume it's gonna be fuse format data. So it gives me fuse format data, well, fuse system format data. Now there's something written in a text in a red font, so this operate do not resume. That literally makes no sense, but let's just select yes. Now it looks like the recovery mode translation is far from perfect. System clear successful, so let's select back and back again and reboot. Now this process worked as intended. The device will be turning on for a little bit longer, so let's just give it a minute or so, and it should boot us into the setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.